It's New Girl. She's never seen New Girl before.
You have to leave now, all of you.
That's two Dirty Dancing references this week. Okay, so a few apologies. One, I'm sorry for the videos that are going to come up next because the quality is going to be a little bit shittier. Two, I'm also sorry because I cannot take you with me, and by you with me I mean this camera, this setup, the mic, it's amazing. But Haley and I, we're going into the city in our scooter. The weather permits it. So we're gonna go into the city, go to the thing called it's like aperitif or aperitivo. It just means like appetizers. It's just like place where you can go and get some drinks, and they basically put out a bunch of appetizers as like a buffet, and you just like nom nom and socialize.
Nom nom.
Get nom nom and everything. But I don't want to bring this annoying camera because I just want to enjoy the time. So we'll bring our cell phones, we'll do a few check-ins, we'll give you like sort of a tour of the place. But we won't bring this camera because, I don't know, I'm sorry. We're gonna go do that and we'll be back tonight, and yeah, that should be it. So we're in Gonzo. Yeah, that's the place, called Gonzo. And they have a little aperitivo thing, so you pay $5 and you get a drink ticket, and with that $5 you can come in and just eat a bunch of appetizers. Cheers. You can come in and just eat a bunch of appetizers, and they have a bunch of food. It's a very nice little spot. This is the upstairs terrace, and I'll show you downstairs right now. Very cool spot, just to sort of chill on a Wednesday, be very relaxing, socialize. We're not really social with other people, but
On a Wednesday.
On a Wednesday. But yeah, so that's what's going on. There's a beer pong tournament at some like American bar here.
Really?
Yeah.
And look like I'm singing too.
Yes. Okay. Maybe they recognize this. Again, sorry for the video quality. It's not my fault. I just don't want the big ass camera. I don't want the attention. But Haley and I, we're just hanging out. So the first place we went to was Gonzo. They had aperitivo. The second place is like the last bit of the aperitivo. And let me show you where we're at. Alright, cool. So as you can see, we're just like in the street, sitting on some tables in the street. The bar's over there, and they have more aperitivos. So this dish is actually very good. I want to try to make it. It's like olive oil, lemon zest, parsley, zucchini. It's fucking delicious. But yeah, we're just having a nice time. It's like really calm and chill, and everybody's just in the streets having a good time, and it's Wednesday. So it just kind of shows how people do things here. So anyways, someone just sang a beautiful song.
Yeah, I heard that.
It was really nice. There we go. It's pretty nice. Anyways, so we're just gonna keep on doing this and get home eventually. So yeah?
I don't want to go home.
No, yeah, me neither.
Just kidding.
Je me t'assois de t'as bien longtemps sans m'embrasser les menottes. T'as bien longtemps.
Oh my god! How was that?
Super yummy.
Super yummy. So we were just at this place. Pagil? Pensava Pagil? I'm terrible.
That, right?
I'm not saying it correctly at all. Hold this real quick. I'm gonna go ask.
Hurry, the camera's dying.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. So we just ate at this place called Pensavo Peggio, and it means I thought the worst. Like I was trying something, like I went to go take a bite or a drink of a drink, and I was like, ugh, that's disgusting, or it's bad. It doesn't look good. And then I try it, and I was like, oh, that's amazing. That's the saying or something. So you look at the restaurant and you think the worst is gonna be there, and you
But it
try
was
it
so
and it's
good.
delicious. It doesn't give off that vibe at all though, because this restaurant is beautiful. It's very tasty. There's an amazing staff in there, and the food was amazing. As you saw, that steak was fucking delicious.
It was so good.
It was melting in your mouth. It was.
We didn't get to film the tiramisu, but we had tiramisu.
Oh, we had tiramisu for dinner and coffee, or for dinner.
For dinner.
Tiramisu for dessert. It was amazing.
That was good too.
Definitely check this place out. It's not really like listed too much, or I didn't really see a whole lot of reviews for it. So our battery's gonna die soon, so we're actually gonna take off and yeah. Pensavo peggio.
La soif de
It's the middle of the night. I bought some groceries. We're gonna cook some dinner tonight. So just not the most in-depth cooking tutorial, cooking instructions, how to cook video, but this is the dinner that we're gonna make. All right. So first, we got our pasta water. Salt the crap out of our pasta water. Now that might have looked like a lot, but it's pasta water, so none of that salt, not all of that salt's gonna actually make it into our pasta and into our dish. The water should taste salty. If the water tastes salty, that means you're good. You're gonna have seasoned pasta when you throw it in. Lay that in. We just woke up. We're looking at all kinds of nuts, but we're on vacation, so that doesn't matter. Do whatever the hell I want. We just made some beautiful breakfast. We got freshly squeezed orange juice, some prosecco. We're gonna have some mimosas, some coffee. Oh my god, eggs and fruit and prosciutto, focaccia, some cookies. Oh, dude, it's gonna be great. And we're gonna do it all on our little patio balcony with this amazing view. It's live. It's live. Oh. These mimosas are delicious. Yeah. What an amazing brunch. We're in Tuscany and we're day 2, technically, and we have no plans.
That feels good.
Yeah, it feels good not to have any plans. We're just chilling here, relaxing. It's nice that we have mountains again, right? We haven't had mountains for a long time.
There's so much green. I think that I like the green the most because we don't really have that much green unless it's like been raining, you know?
Yeah.
This is so, like I was telling him just like a few minutes ago that this is probably the best, one of the best, I would say probably the best breakfast so far that we've had because 1, I love Marcus's cooking. 2, the view is amazing and all the food is super fresh and yummy. I mean, don't get me wrong, the other breakfasts were great, you know, but this was like,
oh yeah,
this is like the best so far.
So we're gonna go and be lazy and
probably drink more,
and hang out here because this is our only chance to actually just relax. So we'll catch you next time.